if this was you, because this is one of the message and a lot of people have been asking this particular question. The person says, boss, these airdrops are too much. How do you go about your work activities? So in this particular video, I'll be sharing with you how to track and organize and manage your airdrop, because a lot of people are farming 10, 20, 50 airdrop, and before you know, they'll be able to lose track of their airdrop. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you how you could just organize and place your airdrop in a particular folder. So if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe. Let us quickly get to our 1000 subscriber and click on the bell notification so that you can get notified anytime we upload any other video like this. So let's go dive to the business of the day. So these are my Telegram's airdrop, and as you can see now here, let me delete this particular folder first. Let me delete it so that I'll be able to use it as an example for you. So now you could see here that I have chat. Yes, a lot of people normally have this chat, but you can see this is another folder called the airdrop folder. So a lot of people that are doing maybe let's say 20, 30, 50 airdrops, they have chat that these airdrops have asked them to join, and before you know, they'll be unable to keep track of everything that they are doing. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you, because if I say I want to keep track of all these airdrop and I'm in the chat section, I will have to scroll, keep on scrolling, looking for each airdrop, trying to see that I'm not unable to miss any of them. So this is how to do it. So the first thing you just need to do is that when you're on a Telegram channel here, you just have to click on this three line. You have to tap on the setting here. So when you tap on setting, the next thing that you need to do is that you need to come to chat folders. So you come to chat folders here, you tap on it. So after you have tapped on your chat folders, the next thing that you have to do is you have to come to create folders. So when you create folders, let's say for example, I want to keep track on airdrop that I have to mine every 6 hours or 8 hours. So let me give my folders a name. So let me say mine. Let me say 8 hours. Don't forget there's number of words that you can put it. So now the next thing is that you will be asked to put the airdrops there. So you say include chat, then you tap on include chat. Let me look. Number one, let's say Bloom. Yes, Bloom is around 8 hours to around 6 hours. Let's say that's the first one. So let's look. Yes, hot mining. Yes, virtuous mining. Let me just use this still as an example. So you tap on this check mark, this thing. So I think that is all. You can use it to create an invite link to invite your friends. But so after that, the next thing we have to do is to tap on the save button here. So you tap on the save. That is as simple as that. So let's go back. You could see now that I have three places here. I have all my chart, I have all my airdrop, I have every 8 hours. Maybe for example, I've set my alarm and the 8 hours has completed. I can actually come here and just launch my Bloom airdrop here, then go back. I'll know these are my 8 hours, tap on my hot and tap on my virtuals, and from there I'll be able to keep track of my airdrop. And when I come to this particular airdrop section here, I'll know, okay, these particular ones are ones that are not 8 hours, or let me say those ones that I need to do just once daily. So I could keep that one here or rename this one and give them once daily. So you can give it any name of your choice. And let's say peradventure those airdrop, they have been listed, you are no longer farming them. What you can just do is to just come to that particular airdrop and just tap on it. You right click. Let's say like for my Menfi, let me not use Menfi as an example. Let me look for an airdrop that, okay, let's say for a seed like this, you tap on it down like this and you just click on this delete button, and before you know, it is out of it. Maybe let's say for example all these 8 hours airdrop, I'm done with them. So what you can just do, you just tap on it for a little time, then you tap on delete folder. Deleted, is all gone. So this is how you can do it. So if this video was really helpful, please kindly comment what you love about this particular video and tell us what you want us to create, the kind of video you want us to create next. So this is all what we have for you today. If you are really helpful, please kindly subscribe, click on the bell notification. You could get notified anytime we upload that. Thank you. Bye bye.